Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Google account tied to the ads you see. Once signed in, go to Ad Settings and My Activity so you can control personalized ads and clear history. Make sure you have the browsers or devices you want to update, because turning off personalization must be done per account and per browser when sync is off. Now, open Ad Settings, locate the toggle for ad personalization, and be ready to switch it off. This reduces targeted advertising across Google services. Once done with the initial account access, switch off ad personalization to stop Google from using your activity to target ads. Then, pause and optionally delete web and app activity to remove past signals that influence ads. Make sure to check YouTube and Google Play settings separately because they can retain preferences. Also, in ad settings, look for ad topics and turn them off or remove interest categories. This reduces profile-based ads while allowing generic, non-personalized ads to continue. To finish, clear cookies and cache or block third-party cookies so advertisers can't track you across sites. This complements account-level changes. If you want stronger control, install a reputable ad blocker or use industry opt-out tools to minimize interest-based ads from partners. Make sure to sign out of other accounts and check sync devices to ensure settings propagated. If ads persist, verify you turned off ad personalization for the correct Google account and recheck browser cookie settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.